Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear learners. Today's topic is subject verb agreement. It's the part of the syntax. Syntax means how you can make the sentences correctly. That means you have to know the word order correctly. Learners, let's see some exercises. The first sentence is I and not my brother. I and not my brother. So what will be the answer here? What type of verb? I and not my brother. It will be have. It will be have. So here actually the subject is I. You have to follow the subject I. So I have done this and not my brother. Let's see the next one. Only boys and not the girl. Only boys and not the girl are guilty. Only boys and not the girl are guilty. So here we have to follow the subject only boys as it is plural form. So that's why verb plural are. So only boys and not the girl are guilty. So two or more singular subjects connected by and usually take a verb in the plural when and. So now let's read this sentence. The captain and manager of the team. And the captain and the manager of the team. What will be the answer? The first one, the captain and manager of the team is coming. Is coming. Because here the captain and manager is the same person. So that's why the captain and manager is coming. And the captain is singular form. So is coming. If you want to use it as past tense, then you can use was coming. Next sentence, the captain and the manager of the team are coming. Here, captain and the manager separate two persons. So that's why the captain and the manager of the team are coming. Let's see the next sentence. Bread and butter. This is a very easy one, right? Bread and butter is his favorite food. Is. The similar idea it is told, though bread and butter is different two food items, but still bread and butter is his favorite food. Let's see the next one. Slow but steady. Slow but steady wins the race. Slow but steady wins the race. Slow and steady, two different ideas, right? So slow but steady wins the race. That it has been used as a singular form. For example, slow wins the race or steady wins the race. That means slow but steady wins the race. 2 hours. 2 hours is a long time to wait. 2 hours is a long time to wait. So 2 hours, you see, it looks like plural one, but it's a phrase of measurement. So, but it takes singular verb, 2 hours. Next one, 50 miles. So it is also it's also a phrase of measurement, and it's a plural in form, but it takes a singular verb. So 50 miles is too far to walk. Now you see the next one, every people. So you see every, that is a common mistake sometimes we do. Every is after every, the subject will be singular. So every people. So every people has a book, right? Has a book. If you want to use it as past, then you can use a had, right? That is different case. But the problem is when we are going to use it as present form, so what will be has or have? So every pupil, always remember this, that every subject and pupil, after that subjects, every, and after that any subject, it takes singular form and verb is also the singular one. Next one is each boy. So you see each boy, so each is each and then boy, it has been singular and it will be was wicked or is wicked, you can write down here. So each boy was wicked. Let's see the next one. Someone dash waiting at the door. What will be the answer? Yes, someone is used like every each, so it will be is. Someone is waiting at the door or someone was waiting at the door. You see the next one, nothing. So nothing. So now nothing is singular, right? So nothing happens. Nothing happens in this place. So nothing happens in this place and someone is waiting at the door. So nothing and someone, it has been worked like every, each. So if you see every, each, any, everyone, someone, anything, nothing, so it takes singular verb always. So please remember this. Let's see the next one. So the pupils each and the boy or the girl dash fond of sweets. The pupils each have. Here it will be have. The pupils each have to take a rest. You have shown that if each is being used, each has been used from the beginning of the sentence, for example, each pupil, then it will be has, but the pupils each have to take a rest. Now let's see the next one. The boy or the girl is fond of sweets, because the boy is a singular, the girl is a singular. So the boy or the girl. So two or more singular subject, if two or more singular subjects connected by or, nor, either or, neither nor, take a verb in the singular. Let's see the next one. Wow, can you guess the picture? Yes. Let's see the seven dwarfs, right? So seven dwarfs is a book name, book names, and actually it's a book, and some books have a film. So seven dwarfs, though it is written here dwarfs, so actually is the title or the name of the book or film, something else. So if titles and names of plural form also take a singular verb when they refer to one thing, so it has been used as one thing, seven dwarfs. So it will be is a very successful film or was a very successful film. So that's all for today, dear learners. If you liked this lesson, you please like, share and comment on my video. And if you would love to learn with me, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much for watching.